Optimizing cloud economics. Strategies for CIOs. Course description. This comprehensive course is designed for CIOs and senior tech leaders aiming to master cloud cost management and optimization. Learners will explore strategies to reduce cloud spending through a project-based approach without compromising performance or scalability. By the end of this course, participants will have developed a detailed plan to optimize cloud costs within their organizations, applying the principles learned in real-world scenarios. Desired outcome. Participants can analyze their current cloud usage, identify inefficiencies, and implement strategies to significantly reduce cloud spend while maintaining or enhancing their service delivery. Course outline. Module 1. Understanding cloud costs. Lesson 1.1, Cloud Cost Fundamentals. Learning objectives. Understand cloud pricing models, billing mechanisms, and typical cost drivers. Real-world examples. Analysis of AWS, Azure, and GCP pricing models. Activities. Audit current cloud bills to identify major cost centers. Project component. Start a cloud cost audit report detailing current spend. Discussion questions. How do different cloud pricing models affect overall spend? Video script. Introduction to cloud costs, emphasizing the importance of understanding pricing models as the first step in cost optimization. Lesson 1.2, Tools for monitoring and managing cloud spend. Learning objectives. Learn about tools and services for monitoring cloud usage and costs. Real-world examples. Overview of AWS Cost Explorer, Azure Cost Management, and GCP's cost management tools. Activities. Set up essential cost monitoring using your cloud provider's tools. Project component. Implement cost monitoring for a segment of your cloud environment. Discussion questions. Discuss the effectiveness of different cost monitoring tools. Video script. Demonstrating how monitoring tools are essential for identifying spending trends and potential savings. Module 2. Identifying and eliminating waste. Lesson 2.1, Finding and addressing inefficiencies. Learning objectives. Identify unused or underutilized resources and services. Real-world examples. Case studies on cost savings from resource optimization. Activities. Conduct a resource utilization review. Project component. Add findings from the utilization review to your cloud cost audit report. Discussion questions. What are common patterns of waste in cloud environments? Video script. How to spot inefficiencies in cloud usage that lead to unnecessary costs. Lesson 2.2, Right-sizing resources. Learning objectives. Learn how to match cloud service sizes and types to actual needs. Real-world examples. Success stories of right-sizing. Activities. Perform a right-sizing exercise on selected resources. Project component. Develop a right-sizing plan for part of your cloud environment. Discussion questions. How does right-sizing impact performance and cost? Video script. Explaining the process and benefits of right-sizing for efficient cloud spend. Module 3. Optimizing cloud storage. Lesson 3.1, Storage cost optimization strategies. Learning objectives. Understand different types of cloud storage and their cost implications. Real-world examples. Comparing standard and frequent access and archive storage costs. Activities. Analyze current storage usage and identify optimization opportunities. Project component. Draft a storage optimization strategy for your audit report. Discussion questions. How can lifecycle policies reduce storage costs? Video script. Strategies for optimizing cloud storage to reduce expenses without sacrificing data availability. Module 4. Leveraging reserved instances and savings plans. Lesson 4.1 Understanding Reserved Instances and Savings Plans. Learning Objectives. Learn how committing to reserved instances or savings plans can reduce costs. Real-world examples. Analysis of savings plans versus on-demand pricing. Activities. Calculate potential savings from reserved instances/savings plans. Project component. Evaluate the feasibility of your organization's reserved instances/savings plans. Discussion questions. What are the trade-offs between flexibility and cost savings with reserved instances? Video script. Introduction to the financial benefits of reserved instances and savings plans, highlighting planning considerations. Module 5. Cloud Financial Management and Governance. Lesson 5.1 Implementing Cloud Financial Management Practices. Learning Objectives. Establish practices for continuous cloud cost management. Real-world examples. How leading organizations manage their cloud budgets. Activities. Develop a cloud financial management policy. Project component. Integrate financial management practices into your cloud cost optimization plan. Discussion questions. What role does governance play in controlling cloud spend? Video script. The importance of establishing robust cloud financial management and governance to sustain cost optimizations. Module 6. Creating and implementing a cloud cost optimization plan. Lesson 6.1 Assembling your cloud cost optimization plan. Learning objectives. Consolidate learning into a comprehensive cloud cost optimization plan. Real-world examples. Review successful cloud cost optimization projects. Activities. Finalize your cloud cost audit report and optimization plan. Project component. Complete the cloud cost optimization plan, which is ready for executive review. Discussion questions. How can organizations ensure continuous optimization of cloud costs? Video script. Wrapping up the course by emphasizing the critical steps in creating and executing a cloud cost optimization plan, encouraging ongoing review and adjustment. Final project plan description. The capstone project for this course involves developing a comprehensive cloud cost optimization plan for the participants' organization. This plan will be built progressively throughout the course, with each module contributing a key component. 1. Cloud Cost Audit Report. A detailed analysis of current cloud spend, identifying major cost drivers and areas of waste. 2. Cost Monitoring Setup. Implement cloud cost monitoring tools to provide visibility into spending patterns. 3. Resource Utilization and Right-Sizing Plan. A strategy for adjusting resource allocation to match actual usage, including specific recommendations for right-sizing. 4. Storage Optimization Strategy. Recommendations for optimizing storage costs, including using different storage classes and lifecycle policies. 5. Reserved Instances/Savings Plans Evaluation. An analysis of the potential savings from reserved instances or savings plans and an implementation plan. 6. Cloud Financial Management Policy. A set of policies and practices to maintain cost efficiencies over time. This project will require participants to apply each lesson's learning directly to their work environment, culminating in a plan demonstrating mastery of the course content and potentially delivering significant cost savings to their organization.